requests a special message from the Chief Operating Officer of New Naiya Infra Corporation Management, Mr. Ok Chul Chin.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Successful launching of pick-up service. I think this new service will increase upgrade our airport service and provide best passenger experience. Thank you for your participation in our airport operation. And then I hope strongly wish you your big success on the airport. Thank you.
And now let us hear from the founder and CEO of Pickup, Mr. Dave Almarinez.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I'd like to give our appreciation and thanks for the support to NNIC, the entire management, and to Mr. Lito Alvarez and our EOO representing the NNIC, Mr. Ok Chul Chin. Palakpakan naman natin. And also for Terminal Operations Head, Mr. Nilo Reyes, and our terminal managers, our assistant terminal manager, Manuel Oba, and we would like to give highlight, no? If you allow me to speak a little bit Tagalog. So, gusto po namin magpasalamat dahil sa partnership na ito in NNIC and launching ng ating pick-up executive. At makikita nyo po mamaya, we will do the demonstration ng ating executive kasi marami po nagre-request ng mga negosyante, businessman, mga gusto nilang VIP sila, o yung gusto lang nilang medyo maganda ang kanilang ride, premium. So, naisipin po namin na for the first time to pick up to be the first mover. At yung mga negosyante, hindi lang mga local, kundi mga foreign travelers din, especially doing business in the Philippines, from Korea and anywhere else in the world that is going and visiting the Philippines to do business, or personal, or anything na kailangan na gusto nilang gamitin sa kanilang personal na comfort. So nandiyan po sa ating mga tabi, for the first time, ang mga brand new BMW X5s and X1s na pwedeng may book using our ride-hailing app and the latest technology called PIN-based. Mamaya po, napakita namin how the PIN-based works. Hindi ko na antayin. We show and match it to our pilots and tawag po natin sa ating mga driver ng ating executive premium ng pick-up ay pilots. You will match your PIN-based, then sasakay na po kayo. Wala pong mangungontrata, kung saan po sa ating nasasakupan ng mga operational areas like Metro Manila, Laguna, Cavite, at Rizal, Bulacan, at eventually nationwide. Umpisa pa lang to ng mga succeeding na marami pang mga executive premium cars na gusto namin i-highlight. For the first time in the Philippines, this will be the first pick-up po ang nag-introduce ng first executive premium ng mga brand new cars sa buong Pilipinas. Kaya, ang may pagmamalaki po natin we're also 100% Filipino-owned. No? Na ginawa ng Pilipino ang technology. We introduced our field-based technology as the first in Southeast Asia. Ang daming first, no? So we have introduced many innovations in the Philippines to pick up. At sana po, hiling namin na pagilingin ang sarili natin, ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino. At ito po ay approved ng LTFRB. We all have those franchises on each of our operating TNBS. We fall under the category of TNBS. So you can book this to and from the airport. Sa ngayon, dahil hindi pa naman sobrang dami, pero this year we are targeting at least 100 premium cars of this. You can book. Sa ngayon, you can book from the airport like si Sir Jesse, galing ng Poland, isang aircraft engineer na kararating ng Poland, sasakay po siya ng pick-up executive. Matatry niya, pupunta po siya ng Manila, taga Manila po siya, so he can try that. And baka sa mga nagtatanong, affordable pa rin kasi pinapalo natin ang fare matrix na tinalaga ng LTFRB. So nagpapasalamat din po kami sa LTFRB sa support at sa mabilis na pagtugon sa para may roll out natin itong pick-up executive. So, we would like to be the first in technology as the first Filipino that leads in technology and innovation. But we also would like to be the first to introduce the premium brands na pwedeng masakyan ng mga ating mga kababayan at mga foreign guests to and from the airport sa ngayon. But later on, pag dumami na, we will go anywhere where pick-up is operational. No? So, we are excited to introduce this. We thank NNIC management. And thank you, sir, for actually having this partnership. And I hope we grow together, we become successful together, and we will continue. Pick-up will support NNIC, and pick-up will support the growth of the Philippines based on sa national agenda. So, maraming salamat po on behalf of my co-founder Jason Chua and maraming salamat po mula sa Pick-up. Download na po kayo, mabilis lang at mag-book na. Maraming